Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower template number M6. Once you receive your package, you will get one size petals, the base, the center of the flowers, and this circle one is to glue onto your flower when you're done, like this one. Because the gap in the middle of the flower is going to be a little bit big, so we need to cover it with another piece. So when you trace a circle, make sure the color of the circle matches the color of the petals. So once you trace and cut out the petal, we need to shape the petals. With your butter knife, curve the side of the petals. After you shape your petals, stack it together. And make a center cut right here at the base. Find the center and make a cut. The cut is about 2 inches. Just make sure it's kind of come up all the way to here. Next, what we need to do is to glue the petals together. So turn the petals over and we will cross over the 2 flaps at the base of each petal and secure it with glue like this. Next, what we need to do is to attach the petal to the base. Start with the center, use the line as your guide and glue it to the base with the pointing up like this. So line up your line with the base and kind of put your petal all the way in where the line is. And tuck the last petal under the first petal that you put on. Now, use the circle. I'm going to cover up the open space right here. Now we'll glue the center piece on. Before you glue it on, just kind of bend it up a bit. A little bit of glue. Just put it right in the center. And now you have a beautiful flower.